Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, we're back on the fire escape again. Just wanted to highlight this particular thing. There's some angles missing, and we got some problems. And then this is the typical staircase coming down. You've got a welded connection, and it is onto a 10-inch plate. Just wanted to highlight that. And then we got legs up. Got these 2 legs that support it. Everything needs to be bolted. We need bolted connections. We need clips and bolts at the stringer, where the stringer intersects the tread. That's all missing. So we need bolts from the stringer into the clip, and then also bolts from the tread into the clip. Okay, this is just a support to keep it rigid. And again, it appears like actually, I take that back. This holds it. These 2 hold it. The house holds it. And it looks like we have enough strength here. But this is all questionable and suspect, and this fire escape does not pass because of all the rust jacking, which is causing distress. Okay. Okay, this concludes the inspector's summary video.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.